At IIT Bombay, there's a very strong and intense hostel culture. Whether it's hostels competing for sports or culturals, there's a lot of passion involved.
Hostels are one of the largest consumers of resources inside the institute.
Our idea was that why don't we bring sustainability into this as well? Why don't we find a method to rank hostels and allow them to compete on which of them is the most sustainable? But this fellowship has been amazing. Got to be on ground. We've got to see very real challenges. We see a tangible impact that we've been able to create.
Annually, thousands events happen in IITB and thousands of waste is being generated and lot of GHG emissions are contributed to it. At present, there's not a structured system of defining sustainable events. So can we really establish a system and a culture where we kind of practice sustainability into events happening all over in IITB? The main goal of the project is to have all-inclusive guideline for what exactly a sustainable event is.
We made sure that non-recyclable PVC banners are not used on the campus. We are going ahead with digital screens. Next folded outcome was awareness website that we created, which is known as Event Nexus. The main goal of Event Nexus is to promote the awareness. How can the event be made more ideal with respect to sustainability? Alongside that, giving the capability to the organizers to see what kind of emissions are being produced through different phases of the event, as well as giving them a capability of using any sustainable vendors from a plethora of vendors that we have added in our vendors directory within the website.
A lot of times it happens that behavioral change is something that catalyzes a lot of sustainability on campus. However, whenever it comes to behavioral change, it's very hard to do it in a setting like a campus where there are so many different types of students. So what we wanted to do was design a course which would cater to a lot of these different audiences.
And especially I think we want to focus on individual action, because everyone thinks, okay, by me this is great, but what will one person do? So I think our courses also focus more on how even one person's change actually has a very big impact.
We aim to have this course a part of the larger curriculum, make this campus a more sustainable, more green place for all of its residents.